Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Chrome Delete trunk molding in gloss black for the 2021 and newer Tahoes. If you're looking to give the back of your Tahoe a slick, custom look while getting away from that factory chrome, then this gloss black accent is worth checking out. This trunk molding is designed to give a bold but clean appearance by getting rid of that chrome stock look on the back of your Tahoe. It gives your Tahoe a more aggressive, modern aesthetic that pairs well with blackout or black themed accessories that you might have. This molding is precision molded to perfectly contour with the tailgate, maintaining factory lines and fitment while improving visual appeal. It's built to complement OEM styling without looking like an afterthought. Because of its high gloss finish, it blends seamlessly with the other gloss black or painted trim pieces. Whether you're building a full blackout look or just want to clean up some of the factory chrome, this molding adds a premium touch in just minutes. This piece is crafted from automotive grade ABS plastic, which is known for being lightweight, yet very durable and weather resistant. This gloss black finish is UV resistant, which means it's not going to fade or discolor over time, even under constant sun exposure or harsh conditions. Now, as far as the pricing goes, this comes in right around that $200 price range. It's still a solid value for a custom fit exterior upgrade that doesn't require painting or professional installation. Speaking of installation, on this one it's pretty simple, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this on the car in just 15 minutes of your time. It comes with automotive grade adhesive and you just peel and stick it on. Just make sure you clean that surface really well for the best long-lasting bond. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
All right, here are the tools that were used for the installation. Is not much. You just got a rag to apply your alcohol. You have the primer adhesive promoter that they added with the kit, a rag to apply that, and I just threw in something to get the sticker backing to help that come up. You don't need this, you can just use your fingers, but this is all you need. Okay, first thing you need to do is to get take this out of the package. You need to get off the stickers on the back end, the red stickers on the back end. You need to take that off. Okay, so we'll do that now. First step. You can do it with your fingers. I've been using something sharp to kind of get them up. So we'll do that right now. This part is the most time consuming part. What I'm doing here is just lifting up on the red tape to leave the adhesive down. All right, we'll go wipe down the area with a little bit of the alcohol, and we'll also wipe it down with the primer adhesive promoter that they added with the kit. First, we'll do this. So we'll just wipe down the area where we'll be adding, and then on the back side where I took it off, the tape is here, here, and here, so I'll wipe those areas with some of this. Put a little bit of this on here. All right, it wasn't damaged at all. You just gotta take off the part that's covering up your gloss. And then you just put it on like so. got. Put it on. Push around the Chevy emblem, get it nice. There you have it.
All right, that's gonna wrap up my review and install of the Chrome Delete trunk molding in gloss black for the 2021 and newer Tahoes. And for all things Tahoe, keep it right here at American Trucks.